Welcome to our channel. Today we how to increase real estate marketing with Realty Austin, full guide step by step clearly. First, identify your target audience. Research demographics to understand their needs and preferences. Create a compelling marketing message that resonates with your audience. Utilize high-quality images and videos of your properties. Showcase unique features and local attractions in your visual content. Build an engaging website optimized for search engines. Incorporate user-friendly navigation to enhance the user experience. Utilize social media platforms to expand your reach. Post regularly and engage with your followers to build community. Leverage paid advertising on platforms like Facebook and Instagram. Target specific demographics to ensure your ads reach the right audience. Implement email marketing campaigns to nurture leads. Personalize your emails based on the interests of potential clients. Host virtual tours and webinars to showcase properties. This allows potential buyers to view homes from the comfort of their own space. Collaborate with local businesses for cross-promotional opportunities. This can increase your visibility and provide added value to clients. Gather testimonials and success stories from satisfied clients. Showcase these on your website and in your marketing materials. Keep track of your marketing efforts and analyze the results. Adjust strategies based on performance data to improve effectiveness. Invest in professional development and training for your team. Stay updated on the latest trends in real estate marketing. Utilize SEO strategies to improve your online visibility. This includes optimizing your website and content for relevant keywords. Engage in local community events to build relationships. This establishes trust and positions you as an authority in the area. Always follow up with leads promptly. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.